Okay, hi everybody. I'm gonna try this again. This is my take two. Some of the items for the auction that's coming up on August 4th, 2018 at 3 p.m. Central Time. These are some of the items. There's a shabby chic basket right there. It's got lace as a liner. Let's see. There's the back of it. Then there's a candle. There's two different candle sets. Both of them have matching canvas boards, 5x7 canvas boards. There's a stretched canvas with a Paris theme napkin, and it's got pearls all the way around, four sides. This is a coffee filter Christmas tree done shabby chic. I did this one at Christmas time. It's got about 500 coffee filters on it. And the doilies down there and the coffee covered lace or coffee lace. No. Here's the back of it. You got the angel at the top. I've also got some craft books right there. There's three of them. Two of them are hardcover. The middle one is a soft cover. Those are going to be for auction. And of course, you guys saw my steampunk dollhouse, which I made the little drink me bottle specifically for Angela because she said that if she was able to get it, she was going to drink the drink me, get smaller so she could move in. Alright, there's the side. Let's see, at the top with the hot air balloon. You see my little robot guy right there. The key. Another hot air balloon. I've got stuff on this side with another key. My little bicycle. Okay, so that's that one. So we'll set this one down for a minute. Make room for others. Now, I did want to show you, I'm not going to pull them all out, but these were donated for me for the auction. And I've got them set up with ephemera packs. They're journals, right? And these were all donated, and they weren't completely done, so I made ephemera packs to go with them. And then there's some canvases, like that one is, okay, let me try and pull it out of the bag. Actually, let me pause this, move this other stuff out of the way, load up more stuff. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got some pieces from Millie from Mimi Praise, some of her pours. And this was right here, a donated piece. It's an exploding canvas with a metal dragonfly in it. It's a 5x7. That was donated from Robin. This one was also donated with the texture paste and everything. And I mean, it's a raised surface. It's absolutely beautiful. She did a fabulous job. And then this one, it also has the texture paste with the leaves, and it's got the brick, and it looks like either sand or something. But isn't that beautiful? This is all textured, so if you can see the detail. Looks like an 8x10 along with that one. This one's a stretched canvas. This one was on a canvas board right here. Okay, so those are going to be in the auction. I've got some small, I think these are 12x12s. Yeah, from Millie Vincent. I've got some 12x12s. Or no, I don't even know what the sizes are. Okay, but they're the hard boards. And that one's purples. You can see that. And there's reds and lime greens. I think that one's absolutely beautiful. Same with this one right here. Look at all the cells in that. And then this one right here is fabulous. Okay, so there's those. And then we have my Graphic 45 Once Upon a Springtime fairy book. It's a hidden book. Let's see, there's the top with the flowers. Here's the binding. These are also from Graphic 45. They're the metal things. Here's the inner, whatever you call it. Then when you untie it and you open it up, it opens up into a storage box. You see that? And all of it is Graphic 45, Once Upon a Springtime. Let me open it all the way. Sorry. Okay, and then the back is just plain. Well, not plain, but you know what I mean. There's not a whole lot of design on it. Okay, so that's that. So let me put these up and I'll get out the next batch. Okay, here's some more wine bottles that are decorated. This one comes with canvas that matches. It's a 5x7 canvas board. This one is shabby chic. All the way up. This one is, whoops, stay. Oh, dang it. Hold on. All right, I'll just put that down for a minute. This one's a Halloween one. That says Wicked Gypsy. Halloween will be coming up soon. Here's another pour from Millie. Put that out of the way. I have no idea what size that is. Does it look like an 11 by 14?
Yeah.
Okay. There's that one. And then this one also. They're both on stretched canvases. They're not on canvas boards. So there's that one. And that one. And then I've got down here in my bag of goodies is all kinds of fun stuff and fibers, and like, look at that whole bag full of fibers, eyelash trim and all kinds of stuff, good stuff. And then we've got some Halloween ephemera packs. There's some Christmas ephemera packs in here. There's some handmade crocheted items. Just all kinds of stuff. Some paper packs, some envelopes, all kinds of goodies. And of course there will be more, and I also have lots of giveaways. Some of the things that are going to happen, or that are going to be given away, are things like, I've got stamps. Look at those. More stamps. I've got some Staedtlers, colored pencils. I've got stamps and stencil from Dilutions. Those are just some of the things. Okay. Like I said, this is not everything, but it's kind of gives you a somewhat of an idea as to what we got going on. I hope to see you there. If you don't know, I'm not doing my auction just for, you know, poops and giggles and pocket money. I'm doing it to raise money to hopefully get some teas. I'm tired of applesauce and yogurt, guys. Just kidding. Well, I am, but that's not the point. Anyways, so I figure I can do it this way and you guys get something out of it. So bring your checkbooks or your PayPal account and let's have some fun. We're going to have some live entertainment. Say, hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
See, Dad's going to be live entertainment. And it's going to be a good time for all. Okay? So, on that note, I will let you guys go. And I hope to see you there. Well, let me make sure, because I don't think I got this one in there. There's my fairy house. You guys have seen that. That'll be in the auction. There's another wine bottle. This one I call Diamonds and Pearls. You see that? That's that one. And I believe that's it. So, well, that's all I'm going to show you today anyway. The rest is going to be a top secret surprise. So I hope to see you guys there. And you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.